What's up guys, today I'll show you something different. Okay, you can watch, you can buy, you can order something different. You can follow my description link and you can buy it, you can ride it, and you can share this video with your friends, family. Thank you so much. So let's start our videos. Okay, super deals tech review. Okay, let's start. Yes, this is super deals. Okay, electric bike, e-bike, you can also e-bike. This price is $519 only. Okay, 21% off. Just awesome. I like this. I will show something different. Okay, this is something different, e-bike. Wow. Now we'll watch this video. Okay, let's start. Okay, this is shifting version folding. Okay, wow, nice, super coloring. Black is my favorite one. Front gear. Oh yes, nice. Long and low. Quick folding. Great one. Convenient. Okay, nice one. Again, wow, front is the back. Great one. If you have any query, you comment please in comment section. Okay, bye bye, ta-ta.